everyone, and welcome back to DMG. Last video, well, a couple videos ago, I disassembled this WD RE3 1 terabyte, and today I have a 500 gig drive that died, and I wouldn't cover these two drives so close to each other in the same chassis, but I'm interested because this one, I believe, only has two platters, for the very scientific reason that it's lighter. And it also doesn't have a head screw. It does have a head screw, but it doesn't have one right here that would be in the middle of the platters. Let's get this drive open and see if my very scientific theory is correct. Now, I actually did try to fix this drive by doing a controller board swap, but because I have pretty much sequential serials of these drives, I have 7 others of them that aren't broken. So I tried to do a controller board swap, but that didn't fix it. It's an actual mechanical failure. These older drives, these older WD server drives, do have a very good seal. It's pretty commendable that they've lasted that well. What the heck? They didn't remove the top platter, they removed the middle platter.
That is weird.
Yeah, so like...
I know what that is.
Yeah, so where this drive has the third platter in the middle, this one only has 2. You can see that by the head arrangement. It's just, actually you can't because it's out of frame. It's actually just missing the middle of the 3 platters. That's the weirdest way I've seen this done. It's also using a... Oh, that's the reason for its death. It's got a big scratch right there. That would prevent any successful reading and writing to this drive. So yeah, that explains everything. And also the heads feel like they should not move that easily. We also don't have one of these big metal plates. We just have, I suppose that's a plastic one down there. And no, so the whole inside of the drive is a little different. Okay, so I was expecting these to be much more similar. I guess the 1 terabyte model is just built better. I really hope, unlike the other drive, I can actually get all the screws out. You're f***ing kidding.
Yes.
Of course, the last screw on both of these drives is stripped, so I can't get it out. So, yeah, there's really no further we can go. It is interesting, though, to see side by side of the drives that I thought would be similar, but are actually completely different. Let's see. Those appear to be mounted the same way, the airflow baffles. Is anything else different? Let's look at the bottom of the drives. Whoops. Okay, motor is slightly different. That one has less of a cutout there than this drive does. But other than that, they are near identical. So yeah, that's why I thought these drives were so similar, but they're not. There we go. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed. As always, tons of other hard drive content on the channel because that's what I do. So if you're interested, you may enjoy those. But thanks for watching and see you next time.